What's up, YouTube? This is the Can-Am DS250. We're going to be tightening the chain. So let's get started. First of all, let me roll it forward a little bit. Grab the phone with the camera by the back. Same difference. Okay. So we got our chain down here. Not supposed to be that loose. So what we're gonna do real quick is tighten that, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So step one, don't trust, I'm working off a pallet outside, and it's like 90 million degrees out here. But step number one, grab out your wrenches. So you're gonna need this for over here, right here. See right there? Hopefully you do. Okay, but there is, I repeat, there is a nut on the bottom. So you'll need the next size up from that one. I'll show you the size when we're done here. But take this one. This is the next size up. But put it on the bottom. I like to slant it up. And you can loosen those like so. Oh, I must have had this one tight, jeez. Oh yeah, I broke down the woods because my chain popped off. These Can-Am DS250s, I don't know about the newer ones, this is a 2021. They're notorious for chain stretching. Like I tell you guys, once every couple months until I buy a new chain, if I do, tighten it, tighten it, tighten it. Actually, this has been once every month this summer. I've been riding like crazy. School has started back. Oh, but no, cat, I'm working. Hey, she listened. All right, so I got that one loose. Now we're gonna come over here. Come into the bottom. And so I've been pretty busy. We got another video. I don't know when this one will come up. For some reason, I make my videos and they never get uploaded. So I forget to upload them. Kind of funny, actually. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna roll this thing back a little. Get a better grip. Now you're looking at actual stuff, so, and brake junk, so sorry about that. My cat is literally laying against me, like right behind me. She's being a cat. It's almost loose. Well, now it's declaring that it's done. Okay, that's loose. Move it, cat. Goofy girl. I swear, cat, if you knocked my arm from the range. I bet she did. Never mind, I found it. Alright, Allen wrench. So this is the complicated part that I thought. I'll get it set up. It's honestly kind of a pain. It can be. So There are these, so on your where your sprocket's at, if you look below that, there's a hole. Stick your Allen through the hole. Okay. Done. Okay. And then stick it through the next hole, because you're going to want to hold your axle still. Okay, mine's through. And technically I should be using a bigger size. If this Allen wrench bends, that's stupid. But, now pull back, roll the four-wheeler back. Oh my. Too tight. That should be good, I guess. Okay, so I got my chain tightened up. Now, simple as this. I pull the Allen wrench out. Take your wrench here, without dropping it in the gravel, because, you know, that's what you're supposed to do while you're working on things, is drop everything on the floor, and on the rock, and whatever else you want to drop it in. It's almost... Alright, Cat, if you knock that around, I'm going to be so unhappy. Just like I just knocked my phone around. Alright. Up top. Take this. Tighten her up. Yup. Get her good and snug. Yup. Get her good and snug, everybody. You don't want that popping loose now, do you? It's your axle piece. I got a trailer hitch, so I'm lucky. I don't have to deal with holding on to both wrenches. Okay, that's good. Alright, come on now. Okay, number 2. The annoying bud. Now this one I do have to hold on to because it'll hit on the brake. So what we're going to do is tighten it. You don't want it bending your brake. Okay, come on now. Yep. Yep. Get nice and tight. Let me off. Okay, I'll put the tools away. We're finished. I'll come right back out once I'm done here, putting these away. Bigger. There you go. And that slot right there. Go there. I'll go put these tools away. You guys stay right there. I'll be right back. No, I'll do a camera show really well on how to do that. Wait, no way, does this fit my exhaust? Maybe I'll have some fun. It does, but I'm not gonna do it. I don't like this thing super loud in it, honestly, unless it's got good power. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Ropes coming out. Other end of you is coming out. Just down there. Alright, I'm gonna roll this ahead. We'll get a good look. Oh, stop. Alright. Bolt here. Down there. There. Down there. Stick your Allen through here. Line up the holes. And that's it. Move the four-wheeler backward to tighten, forward to loosen. Fire her up here. We'll go for a quick turn around. Hold on. We're driving one-handed, so I gotta be kind of careful. It's gonna be some shaky footage.